Hello traders, so welcome to a new educational video. So in this video we'll be talking about the price alert feature which can be used in the Dartstock platform. So I have already made videos on the Dartstock platform using its times and sales filter for intraday stock selection. So if you haven't watched that video, I'll just attach that link here. Please do watch that video if you want to know how to install and use this Dartstock platform, which is free only if you have an Upstocks account. So if you have an Upstocks account, you can download this Dartstock software, which is available for free in the Upstocks website. And if you have a client ID of Upstocks, you can definitely log in and use this Dartstock platform. So let's come to the point. I believe if you want to make your trading very easy, then the best way would be to first identify an important price level. So that price level can be a supply or it can be a demand zone from where you know the price might reverse from. So once you have identified that level, the second point would be to put a price alert for that level. So now if you are using TradingView, like right now we are in TradingView platform and you are using the free, let's say free like trial version of the TradingView, then you have just one alert. Like in the free account, you just have one alert for free. The moment you put that one alert, it's over. You can't put the second alert again. Okay, so you need to buy a Pro or Pro Plus or Premium account, which would start from 1,000 or more than 1,000 rupees per month. So what I do nowadays is that I use this Dartstock platform in which you can put unlimited alerts, and it is quite reliable, and the pop-up which comes are quite similar to what we get in the TradingView. So that's why I have started putting my triggers in the Dartstock account. Okay. So once you have put that price alert for that level, then you have to just wait for the trigger alert to trade. So you don't have to sit in front of the computer and just have to wait for that triggers. The moment the trigger comes, you can take a trade, either buy or sell. So keep your trading system very simple, right? It should be a trigger based system. That means there should be 1, 2, 3 checkpoints. The moment all 3 checkpoints are tick, tick, tick for you, you need to either buy or sell. So you need to keep a rule based system for your trades, so that would be easy for you. So let's say I'm tracking Siemens from 2-3 days. So right now the first important thing would be identify an important level. So right now, let's say we are using the volume profile. I've already made the last 3 videos was regarding volume profile. So I know this particular area here is a solid demand zone, right? It's a solid demand zone, DEM I'm writing here, just because after the price, let's say spend some time here, it just rocketed up, right? So I know this is a sure shot demand zone, so that's why I know this is an important area for me, right? So what I'll do is I'll put an alert for the 1493 area here. Let's say the 1493. Okay, I want to put a alert on 1493. So whenever price comes back to the 1493 level, I want to buy again. So I have to wait patiently until price reaches my level. You have to be very patient when you are having a system based trade. Okay, you have a particular you have particular rules of taking a trade, so you have to wait for that trigger. So I will wait for the price to hit near my POC, which is almost, let's say, 1495. So the price hasn't reached 1495 yet. So I'll take you to the Dartstock platform. So this is the Dartstock platform that I was talking about. I have already explained a lot about this in the previous videos. So let's say I want to put a trade on Siemens. I'll just go to Siemens. I'll open the chart here. Okay, I'll just put right click on Siemens and then go to tools here. Okay, right now see, I think Kotak Mahindra, I had a trigger in Kotak Mahindra. As you can see, Kotak Mahindra, I'll just mark it. Why is not this getting on? Okay, anyways, Kotak Mahindra just got a trigger. You can see 1860, less than 1860. I got a trigger in Kotak Mahindra. So anyways, I was talking about Siemens. So I'll just do right click, go to tools and set alert. Okay, you can write the alert price here. Let's say 1495. Okay, 1495. And then the price whenever is lesser than or equal to 1495, I need to get a text here. Let's say I want to write by Siemens. Okay, I'll just change it by Siemens. So the moment the price reaches 14.95. Okay, also remember at this alert expiry you have to select never, so that until that alert hits, that alert stays in your system. If you don't select never, it is default set at end of day. That means the end of today that alert would be expiring. So I don't want to happen, I don't want that to happen. I want it to be triggered tomorrow as well. If the price reaches that level tomorrow, then definitely I'll take a trigger tomorrow, I'll take a trade tomorrow. Okay, so if you want to see, right now we got a trigger in Tata Consumer, right? So the message is buy, right? So like that I have put many triggers. I'll show you where you can track all your triggers. You can go to here, view. Inside view you will have alerts manager. If you open the alerts manager, I'll just maximize this for you. So I have lot of triggers here which is already set, and on this side you can see I have the criteria whether it might be greater than or less than, and this is the value or the price level on which these alerts are triggered. So these are the already triggered alerts, right? These are already triggered alerts. As you can see, these are all triggered. So there are some more triggers which are waiting to happen, so I'll be waiting for these triggers to happen. Okay, so now this thing, I think this is the trigger that we have put, buy Siemens at 14.95. You can see lesser than or equal to. This is Siemens trade which is waiting, which is active. As you can see, it is in active mode. That means it hasn't been triggered yet. So we are waiting for a trigger at Siemens. So this is how I put alerts on the Dartstock platform. If you have Upstox account, then you can download this Dartstock account for free. So did the price come back to 14.95? No, it is not coming back. It's almost end of the day today. So probably I will wait for the trigger to happen tomorrow. Okay, if that trigger happens tomorrow, then I'll take a buy trade at Siemens in this particular area. When the price comes to this area and I see a rejection candle here, I would take a trade on buy for Siemens. Okay, so we got I think just now we got a trigger for Kotak Mahindra, right? So let's say what happened in Kotak Mahindra. I got a trigger now. Okay, so as you can see, Kotak Mahindra just came to a demand level. Can you see this? It looks like a demand level to me, and Kotak Mahindra just now reached that level. So I'll take a buy trade in Kotak Mahindra today. After I close this video, I'll take a buy in Kotak Mahindra. Okay, so I think that's it for this video. If you want anything else, you can let me know in my WhatsApp number here. Like, I have my WhatsApp number here. You can just WhatsApp me. You can also join my Telegram channel, in which I share my trades from which you can learn. Okay, so let's see if Kotak Mahindra comes to this demand zone. It has already reached the demand zone, so probably we are having an opportunity to buy Kotak Mahindra. Let's see. Okay, so I think that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Keep learning, keep trading. Bye bye.